In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create an account on the Brainly app. And yeah, let's get started right away. So the first time when you download it, this will appear, and you basically have to select where you are located. Now, unfortunately, I can see that my country isn't in here, so I'll just say that I'm located in the United Kingdom, for example, and then I'm just going to click allow. Then you will end up right here, and to create an account you basically want to click on profile, and this will pop up right there. And yeah, what you want to do is click on sign up at the top right corner, and you have to fill in an email, which I'm going to do right now. So just type in an email you want to use, and then click on sign up. Now you will have to fill in your name, so I'm just going to leave this. I'm going to have to create a password, which I'm going to do right now too. Once you've created your password, you just want to click on next, and yeah, you have to fill in your age, which I'm going to do right now too. Then you can either fill in that you are a parent or a student. I'm a student, and then you have to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Click sign up, and now you are signed up to your account, and you will have to go to your email and see that you have gotten this email, and you have to complete the registration just like this by clicking on the link. And now it will say email address confirmed, and you have now fully created your account. So that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.